Welcome back. In this video, we will demonstrate the Purchaser Task Board and explain how a purchaser processes approved purchase requisitions. Once a purchase requisition is approved, it is automatically routed to the assigned purchaser or buyer. All such requisitions are received and managed through the Purchaser Task Board application. This task board acts as the purchaser's workspace, where all purchase-related activities are tracked and executed. Let's navigate to the Purchaser Task Board. Here, all procurement-related applications are visible, and selecting the Purchaser Task Board opens the list of purchase requisitions assigned to the purchaser. In the previous video, a purchase requisition was created and approved. That requisition had already been processed, so for demonstration purposes, another requisition has been created. In this example, we are working with purchase requisition number 44. This requisition is similar to the earlier one and includes 4 items with the same procurement requirements. On the Purchaser Task Board, the requisition appears in the list. Opening it shows all the item details, including item names, required quantities, and the quantities currently available in stock. In this case, the requisition was created using the full quantity option, so the quantity to be purchased is the same as the quantity requested, even though some stock may already be available. The available stock is shown for reference, but it does not affect the procurement quantity because the requisition explicitly requests full procurement. The next step for the purchaser is to initiate the vendor quotation process. The procurement method defined for this requisition is RFQ-based, meaning quotations must be invited from vendors before proceeding further. This requisition falls under the Tools and Spares procurement rule. Under this rule, a list of approved vendors has already been defined. To begin the RFQ process, the system provides an option to automatically populate vendors. When this option is selected, the system brings in all approved vendors mapped to this procurement category. Here, 4 vendors are automatically populated. While reviewing the vendor list, the system highlights an issue with one of the vendors, indicating that the email ID is missing. This is shown using a warning icon. To proceed, the missing email address is added so that the RFQ can be sent electronically. Once all vendor details are complete, the purchaser can proceed to send the RFQ. With a single action, the system sends electronic RFQs to all selected vendors. Each vendor receives an email containing a unique web link. This link allows vendors to submit their quotations directly through the system, eliminating the need for paper-based or PDF quotations. To illustrate this, an RFQ email is received for requisition number 44. Opening the email shows the requirement details along with the unique link. When the link is accessed, the vendor is taken to an online interface where pricing and responses can be submitted. This also enables collaboration between the vendor and the purchaser, which will be explained in more detail in the next video. In this video, the focus was on demonstrating how an approved purchase requisition reaches the Purchaser Task Board, how vendors are selected for quotation, and how RFQs are sent electronically to vendors. In the next video, we will continue this process by submitting quotations from vendors and showing how the procurement cycle moves forward. Thank you for watching.